Very good morning to one and all. In this video, I will discuss about India-France relationship. Recently, Indian Prime Minister have visited for the G7 summit in France, where there was a bilateral meeting was also being taken place between India and France. There was a very fruitful relations between India and France, and historically, both the nations have built their relations on the basis of trust, goodwill, tech and innovations, defense industries, and a global strategic partnership. This year in the February, the relationship was elevated to a special strategic partnership between two countries. If we go into the history, when India declared the state of emergency in 1976, when no country was about to come for India's Republic Day celebrations, it was the French president at that time accepted India's proposal and invitations. And in fact, when India have conducted the Pokhran nuclear test, that time also the countries were putting sanctions on us, but the France did not. France have never criticized us on any of the issues and supported us in terms of Kashmir issue. This was relationship on the basis of trust and goodwill. If I talk about the defense relationship, now since the Russia-Ukraine war, our dependency on France has been continuously increasing, and France is collaborating with us in co-developing, co-manufacturing and co-production of defense weapons. And major deal is the Rafale deal, Scorpion class submarine deal as well, where we are procuring with the technological advancement with the co-manufacturing abilities and share of technologies from France. Another one is the space sector. The France is collaborating with us in the upcoming Gaganyaan mission. Previously, it has also collaborated us in the co-launch of several satellites and several launch vehicles. Trishna satellite is also been in the collaboration with France. The another rooted relationship is the trade. The France is one of the most important Western partners, and it was the first Western nations with which India have started the strategic partnership. And it's a part of European Union, where we have recently signed a free trade agreement, which is also known as the mother of all deals, because it is having the 25% of the global GDP. So for the future point of view, it is very important for us to look more and more tech and innovations between these two countries. And in the recent G7 summits, Indian Prime Minister have also inaugurated the Bharat Tech event, where more than 120 countries have participated with their business leaders, innovators and several others scientists. So this is how this relationship is. And in the trade point of view, both countries are looking out for a different opportunities, like semiconductors, like co-manufacturing of weapons, like Indian Ocean region, like a blue economy. And it is also crucial for both of them to cooperate in sustainability, like in the nuclear sector as well. We have recently initiated the Shanti Act, and in this Shanti Act we are expecting to have more and more foreign direct investment from Western nations, including France, so that our nuclear program will reach to a greater height, and we will be able to achieve a 100 gigawatt goal by the year 2047. So this is how it will go. Thank you.